everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be planting some zucchini squash, heirloom Black Beauty. Yes, so we got a lot of planting going on. Yeah, and I love doing this time of year. I really do. We are now in our hurricane season down here in Tampa, Florida. So we are going to be having some major rain over this weekend. So I'd like to get my plants in the ground. So I already have my hole dug. I put my sardines in there. So let's get started, shall we? I'm going to point you down. I already started putting my favorite soil in there, my compost and all, my cow manure, my compost that I make out of kitchen scraps, some coffee grounds and some eggplants, some cow manure and blah 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 and blase squaze and all that fun happy shit. And I started using this. This is called, as if you can see me, woo! Can you see it right there in the green bag? It's called Miracle Grow. It's for in-ground use. So that's what I started using. So let me point you down over here. Where's my other plant? Oh my gosh. I am supposed to. No, we can't lose you, beautiful. Okay, so let's get started. Let's put this beautiful in the ground. And let's put her twin sister in the ground. Yes, darling. All right, now let's start to fill in around. Get some more compost, cow manure, and the in-ground use of the Miracle Grow, and fill in around. Make sure these guys are nice and fed and comfy in their new homes. Just a little bit more. All right, and there we go. Let's put the cage over top. And get our mulch on. Okay, now I'm going to put my pavers around for that added extra protection that I like. Looks like I'm running out of room over here, but that is okay. So I do have some smaller pavers that I can put in those little spaces. Alright, cow. That is all for this video. If you're new here, how are you? I'd love it if you'd subscribe, and if you're returning, how you doing? This is all for this video. Have a great day. See you in the next one, and I love you. Bye.